In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a PDF file into Microsoft Word. We'll walk through this step by step so you understand not just what to click, but what each option actually does, and when you might want to use it. First, go ahead and open Microsoft Word on your computer. You can either create a brand new blank document or open an existing document where you want the PDF to appear. It's usually a good idea to save your Word file before you start, just in case you make changes you want to keep. Next, make sure you know exactly where your PDF is located on your computer. For example, it might be in your Downloads folder, your Documents folder, or on your desktop. Having the PDF easy to find will make the process smoother when it's time to browse for it. Now, in Word, look at the top ribbon where you see tabs like Home, Insert, Layout, and so on. Click on the Insert tab. This is where Word keeps all the tools for adding things into your document, like pictures, shapes, charts, and, in our case, a PDF. Within the Insert tab, look for the option labeled Object. Depending on your version of Word, it might appear as a small icon with the word Object underneath, usually toward the right side of the ribbon. Click on Object and a small menu will appear. From that menu, choose Object again, not Text from File. This opens the Object dialog box. Inside this dialog box, go to the tab that says Create from File. This tells Word that you want to bring an existing file, like a PDF, into your document. Click the Browse button, then navigate to the folder where you saved your PDF. Select your PDF file and click Insert. Back in the dialog box, you'll see the file path of your PDF. You'll have a couple of options here. If you want the first page of the PDF to appear directly in the document, as if it were an image or an embedded object, you can leave the default settings as they are and click OK. Word will insert the PDF right where your cursor was, and you can then click and drag the corners to resize it or move it around the page. If you would instead prefer a clickable icon that opens the PDF when someone double-clicks it, check the box that says Display as Icon before you click OK. Word will insert a small icon representing the PDF, which helps keep your document cleaner if the PDF is large or has many pages. Take a moment to review how the PDF looks inside your Word document. You can adjust spacing, add text around it, or move it to a different section if needed. When you're happy with everything, don't forget to save your Word document again so that the inserted PDF is stored with your changes. That's all there is to it. By using the Insert tab and the Object feature, you can quickly and easily bring a PDF into your Word document, either as an embedded page or as a simple icon your readers can open.